Hello everyone. How's it going? Sorry for that terrible intro. Um, this is my Discord server. Um, this is how I make money online. Terrible intro, I'm sorry. I have all the methods listed within my Discord server, the website, links, referral links, what I do on the platform, what makes me money, how often I spend time on it, um, what you're doing on the platform. They're all listed here, and yeah, basically I just wanted to show the world how to make money online because I as well was in a position where I had no income, in debt, no vehicle, no job, and I needed money bad. So I researched daily on Reddit, on Google, how to make money online. And most of the links I would click on and all that, they were dog shit. Terrible examples of how to make money online. You were basically making them money. So with these methods listed, you just read them, see if it appeals to you. If it appeals to you, I would recommend striving for it. Um, these are all active methods. I'll be listing passive incomes in here as well. There's remote jobs listed in here as well. Um, a little bit about me listed here. Rules. I'll be making weekly updates on what's hot, what's not, what's good money makers, what's new, like stuff like that. There's public chat here where I talk with people. I created this server around 2 to 3 days ago, and I've been adding my methods daily when I have time off work. Um, these are the two platforms I use the most, Prolific and user testing. This one I have a interview for around 30 minutes that'll pay me $60. Sounds great, right? $60 in an hour? That's a great pay. And I've completed lots of tests for them. On this platform, you basically review applications, websites, maybe even surveys, and you get paid $10 for 10 to 30 minutes of your time. And that's great pay. And they pay you in American. I have my PayPal linked as well, so I get paid instantly through these platforms. There's a ton of other methods I used, but I'm just showing you the two basic ones that are the ones that got me started earning. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to let me know, and I will be glad to help you in any way possible. I I'm like so active on Discord recently because I've been helping a lot of people. All these people on the left, I've just been directing them in ways that are beneficial to the both of us. Be like, hey, yeah, use this. This is how I earn my first couple bucks online. Um, my current goals right now are to earn $100 a day. I might be documenting that as well. And once I start earning $100 a day online, I plan to like grow myself more and all that, invest. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be documenting more, posting more on YouTube, helping more people as well. And yeah, this is the start of my empire. And yeah, there's really not too much else for me to say right now other than click the link in the description if you would like an invite to my Discord. It's called fluorescence, meaning